Biological sonar. Biological sonar is when an animal releases a series of sounds that may not be audible to humans and waits for the echoes to return. Toothed whales, which includes porpoises, are one of two types of animals that use biological sonar to sense and navigate through their environment. The only other animals known for this ability are bats. Porpoise clicks are released through the fatty, roundish tissue on the front of their head called the melon. The clicks, which are focused by the melon into a narrow beam about 12 degrees wide, are released relatively slowly at first until they return an echo, signaling a nearby object. If this object is prey, the porpoise will close in on it. The closer the porpoise gets, the more clicks it will release. The click rate increases to several hundred clicks per second just as the prey is captured. These clicks are one of the most high-pitched signals produced by any animal. The time between the released clicks and the returning echo tells the porpoise the distance and location of the nearby object. Biological sonar produces a very different view on the world from vision. For instance, what the porpoise senses with its biological sonar is probably not how humans see in 3 dimensions, but rather more like a 1- or 2-dimensional representation of the world. The porpoise's view of its environment is updated with each new click it releases. This is a more limited perspective compared to our vision. However, biological sonar allows porpoises to move through their surroundings without the need for sight. One way to gain a better understanding of the porpoise's biological sonar is to imagine using a flashing light while moving through a pitch-black environment to find a hidden object. Each newly released flash returns a visual snapshot of your surroundings. If obstacles, such as trees, are far apart, you can freely move around with fewer flashes. If a flash detects the hidden object, such as an apple in a tree, you can increase the flashes to get a better visual of the object and thus determine its distance and exact location. The porpoise's way of sensing its surroundings is disrupted by noises emitted by pile driving, seismic explosions, and ships, just to name a few. Understanding how they detect their underwater world can help protect them. To learn more about the research behind this fascinating ability, read the article "The Acoustic World of Harbor Porpoises" in the January-February 2015 issue of American Scientist.